Hey subscribers, Tracy here showing you very quickly the two add-ons that you can add on the dies. There's this one which is called ornate doors, and those doors actually open. I'll show you on some cards in a minute. And this one here which is called Persian lattice, and this actually cuts out a separate frame, and I'll show you that on some cards in just a minute. You can add those on by responding in the form I send you, and just quickly you can see we've used them on some of these layouts. It is a beautiful kit. You guys are going to love this kit. Alicia McNamara joined us very quickly. So this is that one, the lattice one, which I can just show you. It comes out as two separate pieces, but I don't want to destroy her layout. Two separate pieces, but you can also do them together. So there's that one. There it is, just chopped up by Rachel. And of course, cute little doors as well. So there is the doors, and there is the lattice. Okay, so that's all your layouts. And here are those cute little doors. How adorable is that? And again, they have a little embossed edge on them, so they open and close. And that is that cute little lattice one. Some beautiful projects here this month, guys. Lots of cute things. You will see more in the what's in the box video. It was hard to choose which is the main die this month, but we've decided that we think the main die is this one here. This is the lattice one, which is 1580. So if you just get one die, you're going to get that one. And then this one here is the other one if you want to add on them on. So 22 I think, and 1580. If you could get these to Trudi as soon as you can, that makes our life so much easier, and we can get these shipping for you real soon. Thanks subscribers, love you guys so much and appreciate you, and we're putting a little surprise in your present this month so that you can have it for Christmas. So enjoy that, and we'll see you soon. Bye.